A lot of people are always questioning why companies like MeBook and HiRead and BigMe release so many units so quickly. The reason is, there's no way for these companies to make any money outside of hardware sales. They sell the device, it's one and done. They sell the case, it's gone. That's it. They don't have any services or subscriptions or payment plans like Amazon does. Amazon throws everything in the kitchen sink at you because they have so many things. This is the MeBook M7. This was after they abandoned Boyu and after they went with Howking out of Shenzhen. So they had that kind of 2020 stasis year where they took a year off and went over to another company, and since then they've been on the downward trend and a massive decline in terms of market share. Let's crack this open. Yes, the once oh so powerful Boyu, who was with Boyu, they were their own kind of entity, is now kind of falling to the wayside after they went with Howking and MeBook because they just don't hold any market share. They were once outselling Onyx during the heyday of the Elita and the Mimas. They were absolutely killing it, and now they're just kind of killing themselves, but we respect the process all the same, and we'll look at everything that comes in the box. This is a better approach, I can tell you, than the P line. So far, just out of the table read we had with the spec sheet and the initial opening on this video you're seeing, it is much higher quality. Everything's looking and feeling a lot better with this M line rather than the P line. You get this origami case, very Oasis. You can change it many different ways. It has an embossed MeBook logo, and it's got this kind of stressed leather look to it. Very nice case. Now for the unit itself, well, let's open the box first, shall we? I took the sleeve off, that's right. Here's the unit. Oh, cool, there you go. Let's put that off to the side. Really heavy. I like that. I like that. Boyu slash MeBook has been on the light, kind of cheap side, the way they kind of feel and perform. So I hope this honestly does brighten up our day a little bit more. You do have a USB cable, and that's it. Wow, wait a minute, there's no user manual or... Oh, it's probably under here. Okay, I hope it's under here. There it is. Okay, you got the QC pass and the user manual. That makes more sense. This is an ebook reader too. It's not a note-taking device. It's not a Sage copy kind of micro note taker. It's just simply straight up an ebook reader. Much better, MeBook. Much better. That going with the times. Keeping up with what's modern. They were stuck in their ways for quite some time, making these cookie cutter kind of black cheap plastic things. This is much better. Everything is tighter. Everything feels so much nicer. Everything is tooled beautifully and pressed beautifully. It's all flush. It has this nice contrasting dark gunmetal that contrasts against the black. Kind of everyone's been copying the asymmetrical kind of ledger style, but that's really the only way you can get your hands on it, because one, there'd be no room to put buttons there, and two, even if you did, your hand would cover it. So that's why they do that, so that it doesn't interact or encroach onto the screen. So if you're wondering why everyone has done that, that's why. I don't see any... Okay, we do, thank goodness. We have audio on here, and we have our SD card. Perfect. SD card with a little door. This is looking way nicer. Oh my goodness. You know what? It even smells better. I'm not even joking. Even the plastics and the adhesives they're using, they smell better. They don't smell all kind of dank and used like the previous units. This is very nice. Very rewarding buttons. Very clicky. The flush screen and bezel I absolutely love. That speaker grill is beautiful. Let's go ahead and just do a first time skip over everything, start up so we can see what it looks like. Much better. Nice and clean approach to everything. They have a refresh setting as well with Regal mode, normal mode, fast mode, and top speed mode A2 with a contrast dial and an enable IMG 256 grayscale. Much better approach. I am loving this. This feels better in your hand. It looks more sleek and modern. It doesn't look all 2015-16 played out like the recent P line. I hope this M line pans out for them. It is already looking worlds better than the previous units they have in their lineup. I would just set and forget what they have and move forward with this, so far out of just initial observations. This is everything that comes in the box with the MeBook, formerly Boyu M7. Stay tuned for the full review.